Hey, I'm Jack Polakar. I'm one of the newest employees at Impulse, and today I'm going to be cooking the perfect pancake on the first try. For context, I have never cooked a pancake on an Impulse cooktop before. I've cooked many pancakes on gas ranges, other induction ranges, and I constantly mess pancakes up, so I'm really excited to give this a try today. I'm gonna add a little butter to the pan, and get it going, putting it in temperature mode. I'm gonna bring it up to 375. Okay, a nice little bubble on my butter. And here we go. No promises on form here, but it is going to taste amazing, I'm confident. That's some thick pancake batter. This is really exciting because I cook pancakes for my kids 2 or 3 days a week. So besides eggs, pancakes is the #1 requested meal at my house. Oh, look at that. Just how I like it. Little, nice and crispy on top, good color in between the browning. Again, this is pancake on a steel pan. This is unheard of in my household. I'd say that's a big question though. What do you put on your pancakes? I'm a maple syrup guy. My girls, sprinkles and cream cheese. Sounds weird, but honestly, for a 2.5-year-old, probably looks like cake. Now, the big test. Boom, perfect pancake. Look at that, perfectly browned, cooked. Other side, gorgeous. I'm gonna even cut into this one for you. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked center. Gotta say, this is absolutely perfect pancake. Night and day compared to cooking a pancake on a gas or other induction or electric range. This was a walk in the park and it tastes delicious. I'm excited to do more of these.